The Librarian.io AI is a newly released software that's already making waves in the digital space. But is it really all that it's cracked up to be? In this review, I'll walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know before deciding if the Librarian.io AI is the best AI software for your needs. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know whether or not it's worth your time. First off, let's talk about what the Librarian.io does. This software is designed to help you manage and streamline your digital content creation process. Whether you're a marketer, business owner, or content creator, the Librarian.io gives you the tools to curate, organize, and automate your digital assets with ease. It's all about efficiency, saving you time so you can focus on the more important things in your business. One of the standout features of the Librarian.io AI is its powerful content categorization system. It uses AI to automatically tag and sort your content in a way that makes it easy to find exactly what you need, when you need it. No more wasting time searching through endless files or digital clutter. This alone can seriously streamline your workflow and boost your productivity. Another great feature is its integration capabilities. The Librarian.io works seamlessly with popular tools and platforms you likely already use. Whether it's your email marketing software, social media management tools, or CRM, it can sync everything together, allowing you to stay on top of your digital content effortlessly. This is a big win for anyone who's managing multiple channels or platforms and needs to keep everything in one place. But what really sets this software apart is its use of AI for content curation and optimization. With the Librarian.io AI, you can automate the process of curating content for your audience. Based on your audience's interests and behavior, the software will suggest the most relevant content to share, ensuring that you're always delivering value to your followers. Now, if you're worried about complexity, don't be. The Librarian.io is user-friendly, even for beginners. The interface is intuitive, making it easy for you to get started without feeling overwhelmed. You won't need to be a tech expert to make the most of this tool. Plus, the customer support is top-notch, with a responsive team ready to assist you whenever needed. Something worth noting is the pricing model. While the Librarian.io is a premium software, they do offer a free trial so you can test it out for yourself and see if it meets your needs. And trust me, once you experience the power of AI-backed automation, you might just find it hard to go back to your old methods. But what about scalability? If you're growing your business or have high volume content, the Librarian.io can scale with you. The software is built to handle large amounts of data without compromising performance, which is crucial as your content library expands. You won't have to worry about performance lags or data overload with this tool. Now, let's address the open loop. What's really the most exciting part of the Librarian.io AI? It's the ability to analyze user engagement and feedback. This software doesn't just let you create and organize content, it also gives you real-time insights into how your content is performing. With this data, you can optimize your strategies and make more informed decisions, ensuring that you're always improving your digital content strategy. If all of this sounds great to you, then you'll definitely want to check out the free trial of the Librarian.io from the first link below. There's no commitment, and you get to see firsthand if this is the right software for your needs. In conclusion, after trying thousands of AI software, I've seen a lot of tools out there, but the Librarian.io AI definitely stands out. Whether you're a business looking to streamline your content creation, a marketer optimizing engagement, or just someone trying to organize their digital life, this software offers something for everyone. If you're interested in checking out other AI software I recommend, I've got links in the description for some of the best ones available today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the links below.